FeaturesLED CMW2310 TF8 Bulb, LED 1. Applications and features of CMW2310 is a high brightness miniature wedge-type LED bulb, suitable for a wide range of automotive and industrial indicator uses. 1. Miniature D10 wedge-based LED designed for automotive applications such as instrument panels, license plate lights, dashboard indicators, and indoor vehicle lights. 2. Polarity Options, available in both polarity-sensitive and non-polar versions for easier installation. 3. Soft light output, frosted lens improves light diffusion, delivering a gentle and evenly spread illumination. 4. Wide voltage compatibility, supports 6 VDC and 12 VDC, 24 VDC and other LED colors available upon request. 5. Multiple vehicle use, compatible with 12 volts cars and 24 volts trucks, also suitable for indoor lighting or moving signal indicators. 6. High brightness output, provides up to 7 lumens with a wide 120 beam angle for enhanced visibility. 7. Compact dimensions, measures T10 x 27 mm space type, W2.1x95G, fitting standard wedge bulb sockets. 8. Low power consumption, only 0.33 W per bulb, offering energy efficiency and stable performance. 9. Long lifespan, rated at 50,000 hours for reliable, long-term use. 10. Multiple color options, available in red, blue, green, amber yellow, and white light customizable for different indicator or decorative need. 11. Trusted quality, high reliability design, widely approved and recognized by customers in automotive and industrial sectors.